Hi viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today we would like to show you one of the dessert which has its roots from Hyderabad. It is called as double ka meetha. It is also known as SHAHI TUKDA in North India. As we are going through party season, it is an easiest dessert which can be prepared with simple ingredients and few minutes of time at home. We are very much happy with your support. Please do subscribe the channel if you haven't subscribed yet. Half a liter of milk, 1 gram of saffron, 250 grams of kova and 250 grams of sugar, pista, dry grapes, badam, cashew nuts, 2 to 3 pieces of green ilachi. Take a fresh milk bread of 300 grams, 200 grams of ghee. Now cut the bread loaf into equal squares as shown. Dry the bread slices under sun for 2-3 hours so that the moist in the bread gets evaporated. Now take a fry pan, add ghee into it. Now the ghee is heated, we are adding bread slices. Fry the bread slices in the ghee to the golden brown color. Once they are ready, transfer them into separate vessel and continue the same process for the rest of the slices. Now it's time to make sugar syrup. Take 250 grams of sugar in a vessel. Add half glass of water. Add 2 to 3 pieces of ilachi into the sugar syrup to get good aroma. Stir in equal intervals of time. Add 4 to 5 drops of lemon juice. Sugar syrup should reach this consistency. Now boil the milk and add kova slowly to the milk such that it dissolves. Now add saffron to the milk and boil it till it overflows. Now place the bread slices in a flat vessel and pour the condensed milk. Now add sugar syrup on the bread slices. Now place the flat vessel on higher flame for 5 to 7 minutes such that bread absorbs all the condensed milk and sugar syrup. Now fry the dry fruits in ghee. To garnish, add some kova. Now it's the final touch, we are adding dry fruits. Now yummy double ka meetha is ready. Please do try our recipes and subscribe our channel for more exciting recipes.